Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Hopefully you all are fine. Today I'll explain about slit lamp. Slit lamp is a stereoscopic biomicroscope that emits a focused beam of light with variable height, width and angle. It is the most important of all ophthalmological instruments as an complete eye examination can be done with it, combining it with other accessories. The slit lamp has three parts. The first one is the observation system or the microscope. The second is the illumination system and the third is the mechanical support system. Certainly, here are 7 basic methods of illumination using slit lamp are explained. First one, diffuse illumination. In this case, it provides a broad general view of the anterior eye segment using a focused beam of light. Second, direct illumination. The slit lamp and the microscope focuses on the same area, which allows us to detect any corneal, stromal or epithelial changes. Indirect illumination. In this case, the slit lamp is focused slightly beside the area of interest, which allows us to detect any corneal microcysts or vacuoles. Fourth, retroillumination. In this case, light reflects from the iris or fundus, while the microscope focuses on the cornea, which allows us to detect any corneal issues like edema, neovascularization, and microcysts or infiltrates. Specular reflection. The angle between the slit lamp and the microscope is increased to 60 degrees, which allows us to detect any corneal endothelial changes such as polymegathism and gutata. Sclerotic scatter. It utilizes total internal reflection, outlining any stromal or epithelial opacities by focusing the slit beam at the temporal limbus. And lastly, oscillatory illumination of kappa. In this case, the slit beam is moved in an oscillatory manner, which allows us to detect any microfilaments in the aqueous humor. Uses of slit lamp. The anterior eye segment is examined with the help of slit lamp by using different kinds of illumination. The anterior chamber angle is examined by gonio with slit lamp. The corneal thickness is examined with pachymeter by the help of slit lamp. The intraocular pressure is examined by Goldmann attenuation tonometer with slit lamp. The fundus is examined with the help of slit lamp by attaching it with other accessories like ruby lenses, plus 78 diopter lenses, plus 90 diopter lenses, etc. This is optometrist Pramalika Choudhury, a proud member of this optometry fraternity and a proud dedicated member of Team Optography. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon of this educational channel. If you have any questions, please share in the comment section below. Thank you everyone.